Israel has been involved in multiple conflicts over the years, and to protect itself, the Middle East country built a multi-layered air defense system which also includes the Iron Dome. This air defense system was developed during the Second Lebanon War in 2006 when the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah was at its peak. But Israel did not start using this missile defense shield before 2011 when they intercepted a Grad rocket fired from Gaza. This mobile all-weather air defense system was developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, for which the US at the time granted them a massive $200 million. Iron Dome is designed to intercept and destroy short-range rockets and artillery shells fired from distances of 4 to 70 kilometers. But how does this defense system actually work? And does it really come in handy at the time of an attack? Iron Dome operates in all-weather conditions. When a missile attack takes place, it uses radar to track rockets. It can differentiate between those that are likely to hit built-up areas and those that are not. Interceptor missiles are only fired at rockets that might hit the populated areas. The system comprises of batteries located across Israel, each with 3 to 4 launchers that can fire 20 interceptor missiles. Also, one must note there are both fixed and mobile versions of the system. Now let's talk about how much does it cost to build the Iron Dome. The total cost of developing, manufacturing, deploying and maintaining the system isn't known, but it's likely in the several billions. See, a complete battery costs an estimated $100 million to produce, whereas each interceptor costs up to around $50,000. For those who are not aware, the US since 1946 has allocated almost $10 billion to Israeli missile defense systems, including nearly $3 billion for the Iron Dome. Apart from Iron Dome, Israel's multi-layered air defense system also includes systems such as Arrow 2, Arrow 3, David Sling Stunner, Patriot Advanced Capability 2, PAC-3, and the advanced fighter jets operated by the country's Air Force. In October 2023, it was reported that at least 5 countries purchased or showed interest in the Iron Dome. Should more countries invest in Iron Dome? Tell us in the comments, and for more such videos, keep watching NewsX.